Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy on 1688 in English. So 1688 or 1688.com is a Chinese wholesale marketplace, but it's mainly in Mandarin. So you can still buy even if you don't speak Chinese by using browser tools and payment methods that work internationally. Step 1, go to www.1688.com. Use Google Chrome so you can right-click Translate to English or go to Google Translate for easier navigation. You can also use Chrome's built-in auto-translate. You can see it right here to keep the site in English as you browse. Step 2, browse or search for products. Use keywords translated from English to Chinese via Google Translate for more accurate results. You can also search by image by clicking the camera icon in the search bar and uploading a product photo. Step 3, check the seller. Look for sellers with high ratings measured in crowns, diamonds, or medals, good transaction history, verified badges, strong merchant. So step 4, communicate with the seller. Use a chat feature. Confirm the price, ask about minimum order quantities, check shipping availability. Use Google Translate for communication if you don't speak Chinese. Step 5, decide on payment method. You can either choose direct payment, only possible with a Chinese bank account, or Alipay linked to a China-based account. Alternative for international buyers, you can use 16881688 agent, sourcing agent. They buy for you, then ship internationally, or use a third party payment services that accept like PayPal, Wise, or international bank transfers. Step 6, place the order. If buying directly, add items to your cart. Enter your Chinese shipping address. If you have local warehouse or friend, complete payment via Alipay and WeChat. If using an agent, send them the product link, quantity, and specifications. Pay the agent in your local currency. The agent will handle buying and receiving the goods. Step 7, arrange international shipping. So 1688 seller usually ship within China only. If you're outside China, use an agent's warehouse or just freight forwarders. Step 8, confirm and track your order. So once shipped, get your tracking number from the seller or agent. Track your shipment using websites like 17track.net or the courier's own tracker. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.